How to reset Google Chromecast. Resetting your Google Chromecast can help resolve various streaming issues or prepare the device for another user. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to reset Google Chromecast using different methods. Method 1. Using the reset button. Locate the reset button. The reset button is usually located on the side of the Chromecast device. Press and hold the reset button. The LED light will start blinking, usually yellow. Wait for the light to turn white. Keep holding until the LED light turns solid white, then release the button. Reset. Complete. The Chromecast will reboot and restore to factory settings. Method 2. Using Google Home app. Open Google Home app. Make sure your mobile device is connected to the same network as your Chromecast. Select your Chromecast. In the Google Home app, find and select your Chromecast device. Go to Settings. Tap on the gear icon to access the settings. Tap on Factory Reset. Scroll down and tap on Factory Reset from the options, then confirm the action. Reset complete. The Chromecast will reset and restart. Additional notes. Ensure your Chromecast is plugged into the TV and powered during the reset process. The reset process might take a few minutes, so be patient. Resetting your Google Chromecast is quick and easy with these methods. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the official Google support page.